near Naples.
Yeah, we're going to have a great show there this weekend. There'll be a lot of coaches there, a lot of people there. It's open to the public, so if you're in the area, come and see us. Marathon hopes to have at least 4 coaches there. We'll have 1283 there. We'll have 2 coaches in the show and then 2 other coaches throughout the park. We'll have 1283 there. We hope to have 1310, which is one of our new quads. And then also, I think we're going to have 1316, which is a great new coach with a lot of new technology on it. Great looking coach. We just brought it down from Oregon about 2 weeks ago. So a lot of great coaches, a lot of things to do. If you can't stay at Pelican Lake, I know there's some, they're pretty full. I think what is it, Naples? That's just around the corner from there. Naples RV Park. So I think it's like 2 miles away from Pelican Lake. So hopefully it's going to be a great weekend, not too hot. And we'd love to be. I think we'll have some marathon calendars.
Yeah, come find us.
Yeah, come find us. Hey everyone, Randy, Dawn, and Marathon Coach. We have arrived at Pelican Lake. Beautiful day here near Naples. And we got 1283 all set. We'll give you a little shot of that. Yeah. And you can maybe see the lake that's in front of us here. So we'll give you a little tour of what the park looks like, so you know what you can look forward to if you come down this weekend. And like we said before, we're going to have 4 coaches here. And looks like the weather's going to hold out. So we'd love to see everyone here. Come introduce yourself and keep following Randy, Dawn, and the Marathon Coach.